Hey guys, Ivy here. Walgreens 80 to 90% up Christmas clearance has started. And for some reason, my Walgreens has tons of things, guys. Wrapping paper. Now it is 80 to 90% off. Store manager officially 90% on the 11th, but already to 80% now. This is like tons of wrapping paper, guys. Tons of it. He didn't even get to change the papers because he was saying that he just like really wanted it gone. Look, ribbons. If they are 80% now, so that was 210, they should be about $1.05 now almost. Like these are really tons of items, even gift bags, 240, 70% off. Now they're 80% off. All of like this Britney Spears, I don't think I'll get that, but even the Soap and Glory, I did grab one of those because one of my family members liked the smell of it. I love these little hair clips right here, 70%. So now they're 80% off, and they were at $3.10. These gift bags right here, 80% now, from $1.80. Now they're 80% off. I did grab that. I picked up a couple of items. The number 7 is still at $21, so it's about $16 now. This green tea by Elizabeth Arden, it smells fantastic, guys. Now these little breads, I saw one little lady, senior citizen, she was so happy to grab all those little breads right there. Those are squishies. So it's tons of visuals. See this right here, this little peanuts gift set. There is some of their stuff is still at, now if it was at 50%, is at 60%. So a lot of like all of their name brands, some of those is clearancing out really slow behind each other. So just pay attention to that. The Tate's cookies are down now finally. Then the little marshmallow treats. These treats and cookies, guys, I really buy the peppermints and I save them until they stale out. They are chewy. That's just me. So, don't judge me. But that was really cute. And it was a lady, she wanted those. But he said he had so much. Now, you see these were 75 cents. I paid 40 cents for a box of those little minis peppermints. So I did pick up some of those peppermints. But he said he had more stuff in the bag that he needed to get out. If you want to find a good place to do some Christmas shopping at Walgreens, go to an area where it's majority seniors, and that's where you're going to find it. Or it's like majority people that really don't shop there. That'll be a place. But all of the peppermints I tried to grab, they had some more of the Nightmare Before Christmases, the Lifesaver gummies. Remember those guys? They were still at $1 and no, they were $1. They were $1. I forgot, 80% off. So all of these, like the Lifesavers, I still thought they should have been at about 50 cents and they wasn't. So he said on the 11th, everything will be 90%. And after that, it's going to the garbage. He said it's either going back to the retailer or to the garbage. Like the Hershey's Kisses, a lady came and grabbed about 10 bags of those, and he said he had another whole box full. So all of these deals are still going on, guys. But remember, it's 80 to 90% off on the 11th, officially 90% off. And after that, he will clear it out. So that is Saturday. It will be 90% off. Look at the lump of coal. And I think it was for 35 cents after today. On that one, it was 35 cents. So we have to pay attention, like the Ghirardelli's. I heard those Belgian chocolates was really good. And then I found like a whole shelf full of them. All kind of chocolates, but the candy is just overboard. I'm kind of pulling back on candy, guys, with my boys. They don't need it. Plus, they play a lot of sports, so I really don't want them eating a lot of candy. Those advent calendars, someone said in one of my videos, commented they wanted advent calendars. So I think so. I'll make sure I let them know about the advent calendars. So all of these are on sale. A lot of the little foods and snacks and all of those peppermints A lot of that was on sale. Now, if I go up to the top shelves, see those caramel truffles, those were the little boxes that were 39 cents. So they should be like 10 cents now. The Pantones, those yeast breads, a lot of those. So this is what I grabbed, guys. This is what I picked up for my, and again, it's me with the peppermints. And then I also throw them on my desk at work. And then I put them in candy bowls around on my bar. So a lot of those deals, some of the things that you see at 50% are like designer, Harry Potter type stuff, Hallmark. You still see some of those. So if it's 50%, it's now 60%. Like the Harry Potters are now 60%. That little ball was at 70%. So that's at 80. The Abominable Snowman. Oh, look at those guys. Little Rudolph socks. Those are scented socks. Smell like peppermints. Now, I thought that was a good idea. I love Nightmare Before Christmas anything. Those, see, some of them, I just felt like I need to wait till they get to 90% and then get them. That one light up. And I think I went over that during Halloween. Again, all of the little face makeups, those were dirt cheap. Now the lights, you can see, he said those were actually going to 80%. He said, no, we have to get them out of here. They're going to 80%, not 50, not 60. Those brooms, I like those just to put in the corners of my house because of the cinnamon smell. And look at that. So they were like 75 cents. All up there, that's Hallmark. Any Hallmark, they were still at like 35%, which was just shameful because look at all that going to waste. Now the kids' toys are still at 33%. So those might have to wait until it start going to after Valentine's Day, I believe, and then they'll start trying to push that on clearance. I like that pizza squishy. And look at the big teddy bear. Oh, that's so pretty. So we're looking at all of these, like those little shoes, a couple of, this is their little clearance section, which some of the little socks, those little socks were $2. So he said they should be going down even lower. A lot of the toys over here still did not clearance out low enough. And he was saying that those were going on clearance. I just wanted to give you guys a visual. I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you did, please make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's Coupon Camp. We don't gatekeep. We let everyone know what the budgets are, what the deals are, what the clearances are. Make sure you go and watch my Ross 49-cent clearance video. Tons of visuals and some tips on how to get the items you want and some actual 49-cent deals that I found, guys. So go and look at that video. I always do the 49-cent Ross deal. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. I'll leave you with this visual.